Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Raz. We back with another one real quick. We gonna see what's going on. Hold on. I gotta redo that. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Raz. We back with another one on the way I see it. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff down below, man. Subscribe to my channel, man. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I'm trying to put the effort in. This ain't easy. It ain't easy. But what we gonna do is we're gonna watch a couple videos and see what they hitting for. Let's see what they talking about on them. Alright, so I'm gonna react to the homie Jew. He ain't actually my homie. I don't know him, but I do know Brody is from where I'm from, or at least went to school here. So big ups to Brody for doing it. You know, representing for where we from, and then putting in that real work. So you know, growing his channel and making this stuff really happen. So shout out to that boy, man. Keep doing your thing, Brody.
Kaylee, Elizabeth, Beverly, Sarai, Kiara, Leah, Elise, Nina, Rachel, Marissa, Sam, Jordan, Felicity, Patricia, Nicole, Kayla, Marissa, Hillary.
Oh, how you say that?
Sarai.
Kind of hot.
Repeat it.
Sarai.
Alright, Sarai.
Yeah, good job.
Hey, I got it. Hey, let's go. All right.
Hey.
How you get flowers?
I got 2 flowers. It's because a man invited me to a table and I didn't go. And then that made me popular.
Huh?
Everybody said, I saw you didn't go with that guy. Here's some flowers.
I'm gonna ask y'all some simple questions. Do you expect a man to like make the first move?
Yes. Yes.
100%.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you think it's a guy's duty to make the first move?
Yes.
Yes. 9 out of 10 times yes. No, I feel like everything works both ways with everybody.
No. I'll come up to you if I like you.
Really? Do you expect a man to make the first move?
I'm gonna say no. No.
Yo, I'm just gonna throw it out there. All these girls are lying their ass off. I maybe had a couple girls come up to me and try to make a move, but these girls are lying their ass off. They know goddamn well they not going up to no dudes that they like. You know what they do? They sit across the room and then they'll look at you. Then when you look at them, they'll stare at you for like 2 seconds, then they'll look away, but then you'll catch them do it again. That's how girls shoot they shot. Girls don't fucking shoot their shot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie to you. They do not. Now, you get a couple of them every now and again that, you know what I'm saying, but usually, you know, it's a different caliber of woman that'll shoot a shot at you. Let me see what they talking about real quick, man. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this so we can see this mug. Maybe if I full screen it or something. I don't know how you make this shake. Fuck it. We rocking. Oh shit, we rocking. Fuck it. All right.
Absolutely not.
No.
I think it can go both ways.
I expect the guy to make the first move. No,
Facts.
it's not the man's job.
Usually, yeah.
Yeah, because I feel as a female, like, we be low-key slow with the process, you know, to make it seem like, obviously, we got some morals and stuff.
Yeah, baby. I ain't even want to do mama like that, but come on, bro. She get, oh my gosh, look, I shouldn't even pause her on that. I did her dirty. I'm sorry, mama.
But
Is it a man's job to kind of make the first move to like talk to you?
No.
So you would talk to a guy that you see that's cute in the club?
If I wanted to, yeah.
Have you done that?
No.
Exactly.
I've been shooting my shot lately, so.
What are you saying to these men?
Do you want my number?
You
Lying motherfucker.
ass.
So do you be shooting your shot on men?
No.
Why?
You have to really like at that level for me to shoot my shot.
So you don't make your first move then?
No, not most of the time.
So you expect the guy to do it?
No, I don't.
You do?
I don't.
So you gonna be single? Is that what you're saying? You saying you're gonna be single then? Because if you don't expect him to do it and you not doing it, then it's not getting done. Logic. 2 + 2 = 4.
I'm always the one who makes the first move.
Give me an example.
I'm just gonna walk up to you and be like, so, you got a girlfriend? No. Let me get your snap.
Have you made the first move ever?
Yeah.
Where at? When?
Exactly.
She's capping.
She's a liar.
Shorty is too damn fire. Like physically, the way she looks, too fire. She is not shooting no shots at nothing. Like what she mean by shooting a shot is what I said earlier. She look at a motherfucker, and if they come up to her and start talking, she's gonna allow them to talk to her. That's her shooting a shot. Y'all ladies need to get real.
Why do you expect the guy to make the first move?
Because I'm shy.
You don't think some men are shy too?
I don't like shy guys.
The audacity.
Some dudes are a little bit more shy.
Are you attracted to those kind of men though?
Of course not.
I'm gay, so a lesbian mash should definitely make the first move.
You're gay?
Yeah.
Why she looking at bro like that if she don't like bro like that? I was just saying, shorty kind of cute too though. But come on, you doing the most right there for somebody who's not interested.
Oh, this interview's.
No, okay.
I don't know.
Wait.
Get the hell out of here.
We're women and men just have boners all the time.
That is blasphemous.
I've shot my shot because women can do that. Women can do everything.
What did that look like?
I don't remember. There's too many.
I guess we'll never know.
I don't date men, so
You're gay?
yeah.
Another one.
Are you gay?
I'm not gonna lie, I low key believe her though. She might really not be fucking with Brody like that. I ain't gonna lie. But that first one, nah. She going.
I can be.
So listen, this is what I want to know. You're on a date with a guy, the bill comes out. Are you expecting him to pay for it?
Yes. Always.
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 Yeah. 100%.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun.
If you guys first met, then I don't think so, because I carry my own.
It depends on who asks who first.
Do you expect a man to pay for the first date?
If he wants to.
No, not always. Yeah.
Fellas, from one man to another, pay for the first date. Matter of fact, pay for all the dates. She might take you out once or twice in your lifetime. But typically, man, you gonna pay for the dates, bro. It just is what it is, man. Don't let her trick you out of getting what you're trying to get just because she's gonna lie to you and try to keep politically correct. Make sure you pay that motherfucker. That way you can slay that motherfucker.
Of course. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. It depends on who asks for the first date. If it's a woman, they pay. If it's a man, they pay.
No, never.
Yes, but I'll leave the tip.
Thank you for that.
If he hesitates, I'll go because it's a power move.
Yeah, go ahead and pay for it.
Are you expecting the guy to pay for it?
Like, did he ask me?
Say it was just a mutual kind of thing.
No, like we can go half.
If you set it up, you pay. If you don't, you don't pay.
Half and half.
Maybe if he asked me out.
If I asked him, yes. If he asked me, no.
Do you expect a man to do it?
Probably, honestly.
Probably.
I always.
Thank you for keeping it real. Like, come on, bro. We all know. Like, we all know. If Brody took you out on a date and didn't pay for that first date, you know damn well you're gonna tell all your friends he not getting another date. If he do get another, nope, ain't no unlesses. Nope, I can't even picture a scenario.
Go to pull out my card and offer.
So many women do that. They be all slow and shit. Like,
You gotta at least offer.
I don't need all the jazz.
and why do you expect that?
Because I feel like it's a man's job to pay for the
It's a man's job.
Bullshit.
All the dates that you've been on, who has paid for the date?
Usually the guy.
Have you ever paid for a man on the first date?
No.
So you expect a man to do it, right?
It just
Shorty's walking around with a rose. She is used to being simped on. Where did she get a rose from?
depends. Just to let him know that I'm not like interested in his money. It's just smarter to just pay for yourself.
10 points if a man can pay for the dinner.
Are you gonna be turned off if a man doesn't pay?
It'll be a little bit weird.
Are you gonna look at him differently if he doesn't pay for it?
Of course.
Are you gonna be turned off if a man doesn't pay?
No. Especially a first date. Nah.
Lying ass. Let me see what she said.
More lies.
Why do you think
More lies.
men should pay always?
I mean, like, it's like the courtesy, like,
Don't be broke.
chivalry.
I think it's respectful for the first time.
You said chivalry.
Yeah.
You still believe in chivalry?
Yeah, I do.
Write that down.
So next question. Do y'all think it's a man's job to protect his woman?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Yeah.
In some circumstances, yeah.
If you're dating a guy, do you expect him to protect you?
Yeah, and I'm gonna protect him.
And I want to know this. What circumstances is it okay for him not to do it? Because clearly, if another dude walk up and slap you on the ass, you're going to be like, you're going to look right at your man like, the fuck? So in what circumstances, if somebody breaking a house and your man sitting on the couch looking at you, you're going to be looking at him. Y'all going to be looking at each other. So what instances or what cases is it not okay for Brody to protect you? Like, come on, man. We already know. I just wish people would keep it real. Just keep it real. Ain't nothing wrong with keeping it real. You know what happens when you keep it real? You get what you want. You get what you actually want. Or at least the person who you might want that don't want you can run the fuck away.
I got his back. Pop, pop, pop.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
but I'll protect him too.
With all due respect, shut the hell up.
I like that personally.
Yeah?
How are you?
What is he there
Wow.
for? An accessory?
Boy, ain't no way.
I like it
Oh
sometimes.
my
If
gosh.
I'm on the end of the sidewalk, I'd like him to be on the end of the sidewalk.
So you want him to put his life?
Yeah. Protect me?
Yeah.
Like if we're together?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we're together.
It's not his job, but it's like an attribute that some people appreciate.
Do you think the man's job is to protect his woman?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are they getting these roses from, man? Is Brody giving them these roses? Is that how you getting them in an interview? He like, let me talk to you real quick, shorty. I got a rose for you, and then I also got 6 questions. Let's go. Get the lights. I don't know. Maybe that's his move. Maybe that's his tact. That's how you get him on this camera. I get it though. You gotta diffuse the situation that way you can slide in and get these questions off. I feel you, Brody.
Well, I mean, of course.
Yeah. If a man comes up to me, I would expect him to go up and say, hey, like, that's my girl.
How? In what ways?
What do you mean how? I can hold my own.
How are you gonna protect him?
You can't protect yourself. That's why you need society. Like, real talk, girls don't want equality. Equality, look, I was at the bar last night and I watched 2 dudes get on trash, and one dude was not about it. He was not trying to be in no type of smoke, no nothing. If girls got treated like that, you would understand what real protection is, and having to protect yourself and be on your P's all the time. And you, for the littlest shit, things go down. But they don't go down like that with women. Like the most is gonna go down is y'all might start screaming and yelling. Even if you get in a fight, y'all might pull some hair. Even if you Sharkeisha, like if you that ain't the worst. Like, you talking about dudes is trying to kill each other. They trying to take each other off the planet. Like, y'all don't, you're not protecting nothing. You're not protecting nothing, man. If you figure out how to protect yourself.
No, I'm just asking.
He said,
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
I protect myself.
Sometimes I get creeped out. I need a man. I grab the nearest man. I go, please protect me from this. Yes,
There you go.
That's what a man is
Exactly.
here for, most definitely.
That's what he's here for?
That's what God built him for, to protect.
Look, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I agree with her. Like, I think inherently, as a male species, like, I think we get so caught up in the fact that we are intellectual creatures that y'all forget, man, we animals. Like, the male lions is out here tearing other male lions up over his girls, over his female lions. Like, animals is out here doing the most. We animals, inherently. We got instincts. Our instinct is to protect women and children as men of any species, of any animal. That's just how it go. So I'm not even mad at him. Like I said, keep it real. You might mess around and get what you want.
Interesting.
You're stronger than a woman, aren't you?
Hey, well, that brings me to my next question.
Showtime, folks.
Do y'all want equality for men and women?
Yeah, 100%.
Yes.
Yes, most definitely.
Really?
I do.
yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
That's an annoying question, but yeah, I guess.
Do you want equality for men and women?
Absolutely.
Of course. Is that what these questions led to, was equality?
Yeah.
Do I want
Yep.
equality?
Right.
Sure did.
Yeah?
No, you
Yeah,
don't.
Of course.
Nope.
Do you want men and women to be equal?
Of course.
Yeah.
See, when they think of equality, they're saying we want to be able to do everything you do, and then we want you to still do the stuff that we want you to do. That's their equality. That's a fucked up equality, I ain't gonna lie.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Do you want equality for men and women if you think like that? For men.
What am I saying?
Equality?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
That's a yes or no question.
In terms of right, yes. I prefer more traditional roles.
Do you think women don't have the same rights as men?
I don't know.
I'm gonna enjoy it.
How do you want equality for men and women if you expect a man to pay for the date and protect you and make the first move? If things were equal, then a woman should have to protect herself, right?
I see why he brought the roses out. Shit was about to get spicy. He had to bring the roses out because he knew it was about to go down. My boy.
I 100% can protect myself, but if a man is willing to protect me as well, I'm going to take it.
Shorty, you can't protect yourself. And the reason I say that is because most people can't protect themselves. That's why we have police. That's why we have the government. That's why we have laws. If everybody had to protect themselves, like on some anarchy shit, like you about to get out here with an AR strapped to your shoulder and a big ass revolver in your hip and run around like fucking Walking Dead, Wild Wild West ass? No, you're not. Your ass would, I think you know what would happen if it was anarchy. You would get around some dudes so that some other dudes didn't get around you. Keep it real.
Is it the man's job to do that?
To a certain extent.
So you believe in gender roles?
We got him.
So how is it equal if men are paying for the dates?
Okay, because it's common courtesy. Everyone should, I mean, like a man, like...
It's not common courtesy if you expect the man to do it.
I mean, I'm not expecting them. Like, obviously, I will pay.
Oh, really?
Should a man pay for the dates?
Always.
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 So now you're changing it.
I know.
You said it.
Make that hypocrisy.
There's a woman's perspective to do certain things as well, too.
Exactly. But if you believe in equality, though, it can't be a man's job to only protect.
That's not a man's job.
That has to be equal, right? What I'm saying.
Cardi B when she was protecting Offset.
Cardi B never said she believes in equality, though.
Hold on, when did Cardi B protect Offset? What she do? Was she busting for Offset? Was Cardi B blowing a blower for Offset? Was she setting it off for Offset? I don't remember Cardi B protected Offset. I don't know. I know that motherfucker's wild boy. He was jumping in crowds, Superman punching niggas right after they was saying free that boy. So I know he a wild boy. I mean this girl a wild girl too though. So it ain't far fetched, I guess. Shit.
Like, I just feel like a man should protect a woman, and I think that's equality because that's just what I believe.
Report back to me when it makes sense.
And you know what equality is?
I know what equality is. Don't get me started on that. I know.
Oh my gosh, she mad. Triggered.
How can you expect equality if you want men to pay for dates?
I didn't say all the time. You said the first date.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, why is that expected if you want equality?
Like I said, chivalry.
If you want equality, don't you have to...
Chivalry and equality literally are the opposites. You cannot have chivalry with equality in the same sentence. Like, you can have equal rights, like meaning that you should have the right to vote, you should have the right to free speech, you have all these rights, but shorty, you don't want equality. I don't want equality. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm cool with being a dude. Now, okay, so like a double standard for dudes that kind of sucks is, and they use this one a lot. We'll use the softer one first. Shorty's getting the club for free. I've never gotten in the club for free. Ever, not once. Never will, probably. You know what I'm saying? Like, motherfuckers is not letting me in the club for free. So that's just the soft one. The harder ones is, if I get you pregnant, meaning that it took both of us to make this child, you get to make all decisions. What kind of equality is that? And I'm cool with that. Unfortunately, it sucks, but we're not complaining. We just deal with it. You know how we deal with it? You can wear a condom. You can pull out. You can not smash. But you're going to smash. So you deal with the consequences.
To kind of take out chivalry, though? Because if you want to look at them the same, chivalry kind of exits itself out. That's what equality means. Men and women would be viewed as the same. So wouldn't chivalry just...
She's sick. You don't want equality. You want to feel good. And to feel good, you can't be equal.
I think it goes both ways.
Not really.
Who gonna stop me?
You know, y'all are equal. Why should a man have to do that?
Do you speak any English?
So you wouldn't expect a man to protect you if you wanted equality?
Yeah, that's true, I guess. But it's like, I'm pretty sure it's just expected just because of societal, like, you know, situations, you know. Physically, men are stronger. You're supposed to feel like you should protect us, you know? Just
Right.
I'm supposed to feel like I should protect you, which, yeah, I guess, but I'm supposed to? What kind of entitlement ass shit is that? I'm supposed to feel like I want to protect you? What if I don't like you? What if you get on my fucking nerves? Yo, man, I fuck with ladies, man. I fuck with y'all. I ain't gonna lie, cause it just is what it is, man. I almost admire the sheer audacity that women have for double standards in their favor, and just this bubble that y'all get to live in, because y'all think society is not protecting you, because you think it's really you. You think all of y'all are running around off your own merit, ain't nobody touching you, ain't nobody doing nothing to you off your own merit. You really think it's like, oh, they not doing nothing to me because I do that to them. No. Nobody's doing any crazy shit to you because society is shutting that shit down, meaning they gonna go to jail, they gonna be labeled a weirdo, all types of shit. Like, we not, the majority of men, the good dudes out here, we not even letting weirdos and creeps and punk ass dudes do no crazy shit to you. So how are you protecting yourself from this shit? Make it make sense to me, please.
I mean, yeah, of course. Not men that are fighting for the, oh, I want to stop paying for these dinner dates.
No, I don't get that.
You said you believe in equality.
I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. So tell me how I don't.
That's gender roles.
No, it's not gender roles.
No, that is gender roles.
It is gender roles, but that's literally a woman, yes, can take on a man's task, but how many women are sitting out here building houses and shit?
Men and women aren't the same,
Facts.
right?
They're not.
So how can you expect them to be equal?
They're not. But I'm just saying.
So, but no.
Who's gonna stop me?
You said absolutely they have to pay, and now you're saying.
Hey, yo, let me just comment on that shit, bro. Hilarious, but my boy Speed gotta chill. Like, I know you young, and I remember being young. I used to do some wild shit, say some wild shit, but my boy, you're like all over the internet and shit, bro. You gotta chill. Like, I get it. That's what got you on. That's what got you popping. That's what's hot. So you gotta chill, my boy. You do not need a case. You're a young black man, a young successful black man at that. If you could transit, remember Charlemagne? Charlemagne used to do all the craziest shit. He used to sniff chairs, all types of weird shit, say weird shit to all the most beautiful women that we grew up knowing about. He transitioned into a book writer, into a podcast and radio TV host with integrity and dignity. I think you got it in you, Speed, man. You got to switch it up, though. I ain't gonna lie, my boy.
Saying they don't.
I know.
So which one is it?
No, they do it. I don't know.
No, we're not gonna play that game.
No, it's not a game.
No, but for a long time, women have been on the other side of that spectrum.
Yeah, that was a long time ago, though.
Did she just say women are on the spectrum?
No, it's still a situation.
What is the situation exactly? So you'd be willing to pay for the bill, protect yourself in certain situations, right?
I would be happy to.
You just said that the man should kind of do that. You've never paid for a first date, have you?
No.
Have you offered?
No.
But you say you want equality. Why haven't you offered?
I don't have to offer for it to be equality.
Yes, you do. He's good. Is it a turnoff if a man doesn't pay?
Yeah.
Why is it a turnoff for you if you want equality?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
You expect gender roles.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
I'm independent and I'm hardworking, but if a man
Say
wants
what you
to take
like.
care of
Say
me,
what you
I'm
want.
gonna take it.
There's nothing wrong with that. You still can't say that you expect equality or you think men and women should have equality when you expect your man to act a certain way.
That's enough.
Do you want equality for men and women?
No. I'll do the cooking, I'll do the cleaning. I'll do it.
No, I
Yo.
would
Oh.
love to be a stay-home mom. I
Oh,
love
man.
to work my ass off.
You don't want equality. You don't.
So no, I'm not with any of that equality shit. Listen, hi, I'm a princess. I don't want to
Hey.
work. I
All
don't want to do
right.
shit.
All right.
So whatever y'all.
Just when you think there is no hope, Brody throw the real ones in at the end. He throw the ones in who just gonna keep it all the way funky. Who just gonna be like, look, I don't want that bullshit. I want you to open my door for me. I want you to pay for the first date. I want you to whoop a motherfucker's ass if he slap me on the ass. Like, I want that. And ain't nothing wrong with wanting that, because you know what I want? I want to come home to a peaceful situation. You know what I'm saying? I want to, shit, if I'm getting it like that, if I'm paying for everything and I done bought the house and put the food in the fridge, I wouldn't mind if the food whipped up when I get home. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Look, we got roles that we can play. You don't have to play those roles. You could play in a very independent role and stay your ass at home and put your motherfucking steak and whatever else in the dish with your dog. Y'all can sit across the table from each other and eat. You feel me? Like, you don't have to play these roles. You could stay your ass alone.
Y'all gotta do, y'all go take care of that, because I'm gonna be at home.
So you want to be a stay-at-home mom?
Of course. Say you got one boyfriend who says he's got all this damn money and you're broke as and doesn't have all this damn money, you'd expect him to stop talking about how rich he is and pay the tab. Real life scenario.
So you have a boyfriend that's rich, but he doesn't give you money.
And he knows I'm broke.
What's wrong with that?
The sheer audacity, like, God damn. Bro, you can't make this shit up. I'm not gonna lie. That situation isn't even possible in reverse. It's not even possible, because no well-off women are gonna be with any broke-ass dudes. But as you can clearly see, shorty okay. I wouldn't say she like, you know what I'm saying? She cool. She cool. But pay for her life, fund her life, cool. I don't know. I'd have that conversation with her. I don't know.
Because he says, I got this private jet. He's got a chauffeur. He's got a maid.
You expect him to spend his money on you.
He's going to talk about this fucking private jet. I'm driving around an 05 Honda.
What it is that's not her boyfriend. I'm not going to lie to you. That is not her boyfriend, because if Brody was really claiming her like that, she would not be on here talking about she ain't got nothing and she broke. Like, bro, this is a representation of you. Your girl is a representation of you. So if your girl is out here first off, you out here in the streets. That's why you're not claiming you. Why are you even out the club right now? Like, if you had a boyfriend and he got all this money and you want him to take care of you, why ain't you at home taking care of the shit that he needs taken care of? Like, why are you in the street? You at hi-fi? You in the motherfucking streets. That's why you belong to the streets, and that's why Brody is leaving you in the streets. I'm about to wrap this shit up, man. I don't know that we need to see too much more of it. I think we've seen everything we need to see. Yo, shout out to my boy, man. He like I said, he putting them videos together, man. He really coming through and showing up for the city and all that. So I salute you, Brody. And shit, I'm happy to see any young men, especially young black men, out here doing their thing and really putting in that work and seeing the results from it, you know. So shout out to you, my boy. It's the way I see it, man, with your boy Raz. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff, and let me know what y'all thinking down below. You know what I'm saying? I'm out.